Pangigtan na ni?
Sa?
Yes, that is so amazing. Yes, and I think, of course, acrobats, animals, they also deserve warmth and love just as much as we give them to our family and friends. Yes. Pet Parade. Right. And speaking of Pet Parade, to those who have registered for the Pet Parade, please get ready. And to those who have earlier, wala mo plates coupon of the Pet Parade. Your coupons are still there located at the production booth. So what's going to happen at the Pet Parade later? We will call our names you have pet one by one. So we will do this.
No. Bakit boy? Buyag boy. First of the kisses.
Nasaan sila yung t-shirt to? Play places no snow?
Bandera. Sabi mo na bandera ni. Dito mo ni.
Nani, cute kayo.
Asa ka? Ano na yung nilaktan?
Nita siya, sabi lang.
So here we go to the most awaited. Please bring Kai. Pet owner ni Kai has pet Kai. Alright!
Okay, ang big boy up.
Ayan, baka may music naman dyan na super energy. Because earlier, I have noticed, no, some of our early birds, no, participants, grabe ka competitive.
Taman. Oh.
Alright, hey!
Hello.
Tumbler, go! Go, let's go! Okay, our first, arrival? What's that? Arrival.
Or their siblings, suggesting the gift of salvation. The animals in Noah's Ark received from the waters of the deluge, and they were connected with the covenant making between God and Noah after the flood. The parable thinks, you have placed the care of animals under the needs and activities of human beings. We ask you to bless these animals, bless also us.
Plus, we'll see him live in action as he performs his demonstration and gets to learn more through the tips through his behavioral talk. Once again, let us all welcome. Yes! Woo! Thank you so much.
Dali. Lagan.
Alright, so this is him in action. This is in Manila. So there was a trial last December. Diego is
Boy.
right, so it means it's clear for the dog. Now when I say no, a lot of people, you can say no to your dog, but it doesn't mean anything to your dog. Who's willing of this? You say no, the dog is still doing it, right? So, how do you add meaning to the words? Just like the word yes, yes.
Tapulan mo na siya.
Yes, please, yes, who doesn't? Who's in favor? Second word, fire, please. So when I say no, I remove the other word. So sinabi ko, so, next one is, of course, no,
Good boy.
I also had a dog going to play. Now, if your dog is playing, you can call dog please. People, good sort of people, you don't have any business with dog please. Okay? So you should be. If I want the dog to stop doing something, I show the dog there's a consequence. Now, what did the dog will associate the correction to what did I do? I was chasing a cat. That's so now we are going to demo the protection dog exercise. So when I say the word, I shouldn't say it. When I say the word D-E-F-E, hit me, alright? Let's shake hands. Defense. See, I'm not using the leash, but the dog is staying beside me. But as soon as Karen will touch me, that's the time that Diego will be allowed to bite. Let's. Shake hands again, shake hands. Defense. Let's. Now, I'll show you guys the remote. Good job, Diego. Good boy. Good boy, Diego. Kill the bad guy. Good. Diego, house. Defense. Defense. Good. All right. Defense. Okay. Good. Maybe you want to adapt me from there. Good boy, there you go. So whenever you want, just stop. Good boy, there you go. Good job. So if I need, don't run away. Step out. Step out. If you try to run away again, my dog will bite you, okay? Let's go to the police. Okay. Do not run away. You see, Diego is ready to bite. Hard thing to let the dog let go of the thing that really motivates the dog, which is to bite in this case, right? So, I'm gonna put Diego on the down. Plants. Diego, plants. Wait. So.
On the third eye in 3, 2, 1, go!
Saad, bang, saad.
The dogs get distracted. 3, 2, 1, go! 5.53. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! 1.72. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Ay!
5, 2, 1, go! 2.63. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 6, 4. Okay, so 1, go! Can you to the for mom? Oh, good job. In 3, 2, 1, go! That's fine now. In 3, 2, ito una. 3, 2, 1, go! Frankie, what's that? Oh, Frankie! You want to check?
Save na animals in need. So to discuss the 5 freedoms of animals, please welcome po our educational team. Just like this. Sit. Okay. All for the love of our fur babies. Let's do it. Wow, super, super happy. Of course, if you share this moment, this happy moment with your friends and family online, don't forget to use the hashtag #CrossTheMark2025, #LeashOffTheMark out. Yay! Everyone is a winner today. Woo!
Noe! Hoy! Shh! Tana, tana! Let's go! Let's go!